Would you believe you can stay at a Universal Orlando hotel with a rooftop bar, incredible views, and early park admission without paying luxury hotel prices? Not to mention a robot that delivers things to your room. Today we're checking into Universal's Aventura Hotel. Aventura Hotel gets a bad rap, and I honestly don't know why. It's one of my favorite places to stay. There are two things about this hotel that I don't think anyone is talking about, and that might change how you feel about it completely. Let's check in. Aventura is Universal's tech-forward value hotel, perfectly positioned between the budget-friendly resorts and premium properties like Hard Rock and Portofino Bay. The moment you walk in, that modern vibe is impossible to miss. Floor-to-ceiling windows, clean minimalist design, and plenty of sleek futuristic lounge spaces make the lobby feel far more upscale than you'd expect at this price point. And that little machine gliding across the floor? That's Relay, the hotel's friendly delivery robot. If you order something like toiletries, snacks, or extra towels, you can request to have Relay bring it to you. Relay delivers it right to your room and waits outside while you grab your items. It's actually pretty cool to watch. Somehow it even knows how to navigate the elevators all on its own, and it does a surprisingly good job. If you're staying here, definitely keep an eye out for Relay. It's one of the hotel's coolest little features. The pool at Aventura isn't the biggest, but it's still a decent size, and it isn't packed with elaborate theming like some of the other resorts. Instead, it has a clean, modern design that perfectly matches the rest of the hotel. It's a heated pool with enough seating, comfortable lounge chairs, umbrellas for shade, and a relaxing hot tub that's perfect after spending an entire day walking through the parks. If you're traveling with kids, there's also a small splash pad for them to enjoy. The resort doesn't have a dedicated arcade, but there is a small game area just off the pool deck. Here is where you'll find Bar Sol, which is the pool bar. For some guests, especially families with younger children, the pool, splash pad, and game area can feel a bit limited compared to some of Universal's other resorts, and that's often considered one of Aventura's biggest drawbacks. But here's one of the best-kept secrets about staying at Aventura. Because it's located right between Cabana Bay Beach Resort and Sapphire Falls, you're in an incredibly convenient spot. While Aventura's own pool and amenities are a little smaller, you have access to both these hotels' amenities. These two hotels are literally just a few steps away. If you're craving a retro vibe, head over to Cabana Bay, where you'll find a much larger pool area, a lazy river, a bowling alley, an arcade, additional dining options, and plenty of fun spaces to explore. It's a completely different atmosphere that feels like stepping back into the 1950s and 60s. Or, if you're looking for something a little more relaxing, take the short walk to Sapphire Falls. The Caribbean-inspired resort features lush tropical landscaping, beautiful waterfalls, multiple restaurants, and lounges. From there, you can also catch the complimentary water taxi straight to CityWalk, making it one of the easiest and most scenic ways to get to the parks. You skip the main security checkpoint at the parking garages, and the boat drops you off right in the heart of Universal CityWalk, just a short walk from the entrances to Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure. It's a simple travel tip that can save time and make your day start a whole lot smoother. To access the pool at either hotel, simply stop by that resort's front desk and show your Aventura room key. They'll provide you with a special amenity access key card that's valid for the day, allowing you to enjoy the pool and other amenities. Getting to the parks from Aventura is incredibly easy. You can hop on one of the complimentary shuttle buses or enjoy about a 20-minute walk to Universal Studios. And if you're heading to Volcano Bay, it's even more convenient. There's a dedicated walking path just behind the pool that takes you straight to the park. Now let's take a look at our room. For this stay, we booked one of the kids' suites. With our Florida resident discount, the suite came to $290 per night, while a standard room was available for just $109 per night. And honestly, that's not a bad price for this hotel. The only thing I don't like is the parking fee, which was $30 per day plus tax. Personally, I don't think I should have to pay extra to park at a hotel I'm already staying at, but unfortunately that's becoming the norm these days. I'd prefer the cost be hidden into the room rate than as an extra charge at checkout. That's really my only gripe with this hotel. Now, let's take a look at the suite. This is easily one of the best rooms on Universal property. This room is a great option for families, comfortably sleeping up to 6 guests. And no matter which room category you book, you're treated to some incredible views. Now, let's head upstairs and check out Bar 17 Bistro Aventura's Rooftop Lounge. This is easily one of the best views in Orlando, and the best part is that Bar 17 Bistro is open to everyone, not just hotel guests. If you're driving over, be sure to have your parking ticket validated at the restaurant. That way your parking is complimentary. Otherwise, you'll be paying $53 for parking. Yep, you heard that right, $53. That's one expensive mistake, so don't forget to get it validated. This rooftop lounge is the reason many people book Aventura. You can see the theme parks, Volcano Bay, even the fireworks. The atmosphere up here is incredible. If you're looking for an affordable hotel close to the parks, Universal's Aventura Hotel is one of the best values at Universal Orlando. In my opinion, Aventura is one of the most underrated hotels at Universal Orlando. You get a sleek, modern hotel at an incredible value with amazing views from just about every room. Add in a robot butler, an incredible rooftop bar, early park admission to all the Universal parks, and the convenience of having both Sapphire Falls and Cabana Bay just steps away, and it's hard to beat. If you're looking for a hotel that offers great value without sacrificing location, Universal's Aventura Hotel should absolutely be on your list for your next Orlando vacation. This is truly one of Universal Orlando's hidden gems. While it doesn't get as much attention as some of the larger themed resorts, it quietly delivers an incredible experience at an unbeatable value. Aventura offers far more than most guests expect and puts you right in the heart of the action. Aventura might just be Universal Orlando's best-kept secret. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Let me know down in the comments. Would you stay at Aventura Hotel, or do you have another favorite Universal hotel? And if you want more Orlando hotel tours, theme park tips, and vacation guides, be sure to subscribe because we've got plenty more adventures coming your way. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.